Yo, what's up buddy, how you guys doing? Apa kabar and selamat pagi. Yes, I'm at the airport right now, but I'm not alone. I'm with my son and my wife over there. This is our first family trip since the pandemic. So sad, huh? But we're catching up. Anyway, this video is not about my family trip. This video is about to answer which one is easier. Go to Indonesia, go to Bali, or go to Singapore. Yes, we are going to Singapore right now. My son would like to go to Universal Studio since he's still in holiday. So watch this video until the end. My name is Misa. I'm your host in Bali. Let's find out which one is easier. Go to Singapore or go to Bali. Yes. Yo, Mas.
Para yang terhormat,
Yep, they're finally arrived in Singapore. Okay, so we passed all. Everything is so smooth. The immigration smooth. The bag smooth. Let me show you something. There you go. This is behind me is the famous jewel in Changi Airport. They promised me, they said each of us gonna carry one bag. But look what happened. I got one in my hat, one in my bag. I got one there and out there. And look at them. Yeah, let's get it. Put it here. Okay. Thank you. Ooh. Guys, you see that? That is Mustafa. So for you guys who love to shopping, like buying perfume, gold, chocolate, whatever, this is the place for you to come in Singapore. Mustafa. I also have a jewelry there. Mustafa Jewelry. And it's my friend here in Singapore.
Halo, apa kabar? Bonjour.
And yeah, let's check the place out. Guys, I don't know is I'm the one who's not good choosing a hotel or I just got scammed. I don't know. I pay for like 110 US dollars per night, and this is the room that I got. Look, so this is it. I don't know what is this. Should be a cupboard, and the room is just like this. One single bed here, and there. That's it. And look, there's a hole above us. And for 110 US dollars per night, no Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi. I just want to sleep and go straight to tomorrow to the Universal Studio. Alright, my pal?
Yup.